Hi everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to draw on your eyebrows, and I'm looking in my phone camera because my camera does not have a it doesn't have a monitor on it to show me, so I gotta use my phone. So if I'm looking to this side, I'm looking at my phone so I can draw my eyebrows for you. And also I'm going to show you how to put on your lashes also, ladies, so you know how to do it at home for yourself. So today I'm going to be using the brown eyebrow pencil right here, and it's a bold brown, and also I'm going to be using the Pro Concealer, and also I have this little brush I'm going to be using today, and I have the V Lux by Envy eyelashes that I'm going to be using right here. And also to put the eyelashes on, I have the Magic Glue eyeliner, liquid self-adhesive that I got from the beauty supply store. So first, ladies, you get your eyebrow pencil, and let me switch this back around. Okay, first, ladies, you get your eyebrow pencil. Pick out like that, roll it up, and you just draw on your eyebrows. Like, I want to make sure y'all see that I'm drawing on my eyebrows, if you can see it. Okay, so basically I want you to see I'm going to just, like, you know, fill in my eyebrows a little bit with the brown. Then I'm gonna do the other one, move the hair out the way. And I'm gonna lay that right there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna brush it a little bit. You can see, I want you to be able to see, so I'm just brushing it a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on my concealer. So I have my concealer, and also I'm looking in this phone because it's showing me what to do. So basically, I just want to make sure y'all can see. I'm going to, you know, just draw around my eyebrow with the concealer. Squeeze a little bit out. And I'm gonna blend everything in once I get it on my eyebrow. You can see, you know, I wanna make sure you can see. So then I'm gonna do the other one. Okay, so I drew on my eyebrows, and I put the concealer around my eyebrows. You put it around your eyebrows how you want to shape it. I'm trying to move this little piece of hair. If you can see it, make sure you can see. So then I'm gonna get that brush, and I want you to see I'm going to just blend it out so it look like a natural eyebrow. I'm blending it. I like to make sure it's as natural as possible. And if I need to go back with the pencil, I can do that. Okay. So then I'm going to blend it. Then I'm going to blend the other one with this brush. Okay, can you see them? Okay, so then I have this brush. I picked my brushes what I want to use. So I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to blend in the concealer. I'm blending in the concealer. Basically, I just go with the flow of things. I'm like self-taught, or I look at some YouTube videos to teach me, but I do my eyebrows pretty much how I just, you know, I wing it. So I'm just blending it in. If you can see that I'm blending it in so it can look cute. So ladies, I'm just wanted to show you how to do this so you can do it at home yourself. You don't have to go to a makeup artist, and it does not take a lot of money. Go to the hair store or Ulta or any beauty supply store that sells this, or order it online. And also I'm going to put what I used in the description box. So I just do whatever I gotta do. I use my fingers. I do whatever it is I gotta do to blend it. Okay. So I'm blending it. Can you see I'm blending it? Okay. Okay. And if I need to go back and get the brush, I'm going to get the brush. And, you know, just do any finishing touches. I'm gonna blend some more. Okay, so that's the eyebrows. You can see, ladies, I draw my eyebrows right there. I want to make sure you can see them. Okay. Hi ladies, so I'm back and I'm looking at myself in my phone, remember, because I want to make sure that I can see, because I don't have a monitor on my camera. But if you can see my eyebrows, I drew on my eyebrows and I showed you how to draw on your eyebrows. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the lashes. So basically, like I told you, I have this magic glue pen. I was like, wow, they got a magic glue pen where you can put on your lashes. And I'm going to take it out of the box and I'm going to draw a line over my eye right here. I'm just going to draw a line, a little straight line. Then I'm just going to stick on my lashes. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm just going to do that real quick and I will be right back. Once I draw on the line, then I'm going to show you how to put the lash on. As you can see, I went and I drew on the glue eyeliner. Now I'm going to get the lashes, the Velux lashes, and I'm going to stick them on. And I'm going to show you how to stick them on. And these are some beautiful lashes, ladies. Velux lashes. They're so pretty. I love them. Beautiful lashes. So now I'm going to take them out the pack and show you how to put them on. So I'm taking them off. It takes me a little time to take them off, which you can take your time to take them off. You don't have to rush to take them off because you don't want to mess them up on the pack. So I just want to make sure I don't mess it up when I'm taking it off. Okay, got it off. See, I'm taking it off right here. Okay. So I'm going to get the tweezers right here, and I'm going to get my phone so I can go ahead and stick them on for you so I can see. Let me pull up the camera, ladies, and we're going to stick on our lash. Okay. Well, I'm going to stick on my lash. And you can follow along if you want to. Okay. So basically, I can see that I'm showing you. And I'm going to make sure I fix it. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead. It's a little different from a mirror, but I'm going to try to do it as best as I can. Okay. Okay, I did it, ladies. I stuck it on with my phone, and that's how that eyeliner, that liquid glue eyeliner, it makes it so easy to stick on and not making a mess. You see, you can get that liquid eyeliner from the beauty supply store. Go and get it. It is called, and I want to say it again for you, I'm gonna put it in the description box, the Magic Glue Eyeliner. It works so good. Look at it, ladies. And they got the little, where is that? Right here. Got a little pointy thing, and just put the glue on there. And you see I stuck on the lash. It's so easy to put on your lashes and do it yourself. And don't have to go spend your money. You can just go buy the lashes and go home and put it on yourself. See, it's so beautiful, ain't it? So I'm gonna stick on the other one. Okay, I have the other one I'm going to stick on. I'm going to take it off. Okay, so I'm taking it off. There we go. So now, all right, I'm going to stick this one on. Show you how to go ahead and stick on the other one. And you can buy all types of lashes and just stick them on yourself. Do it yourself. Make yourself beautiful yourself. Like, I'm gonna do everything myself. I'm basically winging it with this phone. Okay, I'm gonna do this one with my hand. Make sure I get it on there good. And I did, ladies. Go and get that go get the Magic Glue Stick for your lashes. Go get it from the beauty supply store. It's the Magic Eyeliner Glue Stick to put on your lashes. It makes it so easy. You draw a line and you stick your lashes. I'm even gonna get more lashes and do like some more little tutorials with beautiful lashes, showing y'all beautiful lashes. It's so beautiful. And that's how you draw on your eyebrows and do your lashes, ladies. You see? So easy. And also, I just want to thank all of my subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to Simply's channel. Thank you. And also don't forget to subscribe, like this video, click that little bell so you will know once I post another video. So this is how you do your eyebrows. You draw them on, and this is how you put on your lashes. Easy peasy.